Hello everyone, Tina here for Papertrey Ink. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Are you ready to make a birthday card? I sure am, because I'm super excited about this die set from Papertrey Ink. It's called Build a Party Hat, and it creates 3 different sizes of party hats. And you can mix and match to your heart's content, and so we'll be making a birthday card with this today. For my greeting on my project today, we're going to be using the This Is Big Sentiments birthday stamp set. We're not using the large birthday, we're just going to add a thin strip that says today is your day to shine. I thought that would go really good with a shaker card. So to create my shaker, we're going to go quick and easy. We're using the Papertrey Ink Fantastic Front Scalloped Frame die set. And this creates an A2 panel, but what we're going to do is shrink the card panel and put this right on top. It's going to be really easy to do. So let's go ahead and create our birthday hats first. I'm going to go ahead and die cut out some middle-sized birthday caps, and we'll put them together. I have everything die cut, and I already created my flowers by putting that middle layer right in the center. I'm going to do a little bit of ink blending on the leaf piece here, and then also on our party hats. To do that, I'm going to bring in Blueberry Sky, and we're going to add a little bit of color and kind of fade up on this party hat here. I'm going to go all the way up to one side here. I just love these colors together. So that's one of our party hats. And then for this party hat, I'm going to use Hibiscus Burst. And we're going to do the same thing, just add some color to the very bottom and kind of fade up. And we're going to go on the other side of this one. Wonderful. To make the fringe for the party hat, you could use the large or the smallest, and what I did was take the large, and what we're going to do is I trimmed this piece in half. I'm just going to add a little bit of glue, and we're going to layer these together like so, and then it'll fit perfectly right on the bottom there. So basically we're just customizing this bottom piece. And we're going to layer this right over the bottom of our party hat here. And that one is good to go. And then for this one, we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to snip it right down the middle. Okay, we're going to add a little glue to one side. And I overlap on the top here. And then we're just going to add a little glue to the back here. And then this one can be layered on the bottom of this hat. So you can customize your hats any way you like. So much fun. After we have this done, we're going to add our little pom-pom. We're going to add a dot of glue here to the top. And then I also layered one of the smaller pieces to the top of this pom-pom for a little added dimension. Okay, and then for this hat, I die cut out these 2 pieces with white cardstock. And we're going to layer 2 together, kind of overlapping them. I'll add a dot of glue to the very top of this hat. And then we can add this little piece. And that one is good to go. This is so much fun. I did die cut out a few polka dots, and I'm going to add the polka dots to the blue hat. So we're just going to add glue behind here and fill in this background with some polka dots. The nice thing is if you have any polka dots hanging over, you can trim them off, and then you can actually reuse those pieces. So one hat has polka dots, and then for this hat, I think we'll just leave this one plain because we're going to add some flowers to it. I'm not sure where I want to put them yet. I do know I'm going to bring in a little bit of my new leaf ink, and I'm going to add a little color to the edges of this leaf here. And we are good to go. We're going to put everything to the side, and now we're going to work on our shaker element. To create my shaker element, I'm going to be using some lemon tart cardstock, and I'm just going to grab an A2 panel, and then I'll take my fantastic front scalloped frame, and I'm going to die cut out a window panel here in the front of my cardstock. Once I have this die cut out, I'm going to bring in some orange zest ink, and I'm going to add a little color. I'm actually going to go around my entire frame. So there is our frame. Just a little color does so much. Now I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to take some adhesive. I'm going to add it around my frame. And then I have a piece of acetate. We're going to layer it right over the top. And then I'm going to bring in some foam tape, and I'm going to go around all the edge. Next, I'm going to take our moonshine sequins. And I already filled in our shaker. I filled it in pretty good. If you want a lot of shake to your shaker, double up on your foam tape. But I didn't do that, I just put one layer. Now what we're going to do is take our card base. Okay, what I had did was trim down my card base. So this now measures, a standard A2 size card base measures 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. This card base today measures 4 inches by 5 1/4. So it's going to fit right inside my scalloped edge. So it's just going to be a little bit smaller, but will fit in an A2 envelope beautifully. We're going to give this a good press. And then we're going to flip it around. And we have a lot of shake to our shaker. And I just love those colors. And there's the back side, there's the front. Now before we do anything else, I do want to stamp my greeting. I'm going to stamp the greeting that says, "Today is your day to shine." I'm just going to use my True Black ink, and we'll ink this up, and I'm going to stamp it on a strip of white cardstock. Wonderful. I'll just trim off the end, and our greeting is good to go. Now let's bring in all of our elements, and we're going to arrange them on our card today. We're going to pop up our party hats. So we'll put a couple pieces of foam tape. We're also going to add some foam tape behind our flowers here. I think we'll arrange it down here in this corner, kind of crisscrossing them both. I'm going to add a little glue behind my leaf. We're going to add our leaf here. And I'm going to add my 2 flowers. And then we have our streamers we're going to add in our background. We're going to add just a couple dots of glue. And we're going to fill in our background with some streamers. And then, lastly, I'm bringing in my diamond stickles. And I'm going to go over the flower centers, adding a little sparkle to there. And then I'll also go over the pom-pom on my hat. Add a little sparkle to this. And then also, we'll add a little bit of sparkle to the pom-pom here. And that will finish off my card today. We have some sparkle, we have a little shake, and plenty of room for your message. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.